While the Christmas tree is a symbol of the holiday season in most of the world, in Ukraine every house had a Didukh as protection from evil spirits. According to tradition, the Didukh is brought inside the house by the owner. Women usually sing carols.
When we take the wheat, it is a symbol of harvest and goes with the Christian traditions well. It is universal. In the parable of the sower that Christ told of, Didukh was also mentioned in the Old Testament. This is a pagan symbol, but it gained Christian meaning.
A sheaf is assembled in the shape of a tree. It is decorated with different herbs. This Didukh is made in a more modern way. Masters call it a Christmas tree with fir branches and cones.
We've also prepared these mounts for the Didukh, fir branches and the sheaf. Then we put it in the mount and tie them together. Later we take several fir branches and decorate it, and so we have a small copy of the Didukh that you can place at home for Christmas.
Svetlana came to the Didukh workshop together with her children. Her origins are in Belarus.
We are very interested in ancient traditions. They are also upheld in Belarus. We are very happy and we want to participate in real Christmas celebrations. I imagine a Didukh like a man, like a farmer that works a lot. I never made a Didukh myself, that is why it's so interesting to me.
Earlier, the Didukh had a much simpler form. Maria says it was made by her father.
Before it was made from oat, we would choose the best stems and would just tie them together. We had a family of 3, and before the dinner we would go to the barn and my parents would take the Didukh. We would take straws. We would lay straw on the floor of the house, and in the 4 corners we would place garlic. It was believed it would bring good health.
A small bouquet of wheat is placed in the corner of the room on Christmas Eve and stays there until the baptism of Christ. Reported by Yulia Bil for UATV.